Greetings all, my dearest audience. In this dear change, me and my teammate are going to be presenting to you a topic that's usually overlooked but yet is very crucial, which is safety science in a chemistry laboratory. Chemistry laboratory are the place where thrilling discoveries are made. But this discovery also come at risk if safety and regulation and guidelines are not be followed. Whether we are handling chemicals or laboratory equipment or just moving around the lab, the safety regulation ensure our safety and well-being. Therefore, today we'll be presenting to you three important and must-have signs in a chemistry laboratory in order to minimize risk and ensure safety for all.
So the first sign here, as you can see, to keep lab coats into the cabinet and to store them properly. Now, why you might ask? Firstly is to prevent students from contamination of germs and other bacteria, ensuring the safety for both students and also teachers. Secondly is to prevent the fabric of the lab coats from degrading, making it more usable for future purposes and also saving money. And lastly is to prevent unpleasant odors from spreading.
Okay, so we have the second sign. Okay, so for the second sign we have sanitize laboratory appliances after use. Why this sign, you might ask? So we decided to choose this sign because sanitizing laboratory appliances after use help eliminate contaminants from lab appliances. So contaminated lab appliances can also help spread sickness, germs, and also some chemicals are very dangerous and it may cause rashes, therefore it needs to be sanitized. And then for the second reason, it helps reduces the risk of accidents and exposure to harmful substances. As you might know, some substances or even chemicals contains particles or subatoms that can cause rashes and also uncurable diseases. And for the third reason, it's to prevent cross-contamination from occurring. So cross-contamination itself is a process where germs and also bacteria, they move physically from a person to a person, a place to a place, or even from a bottle to a bottle, which can also cause germs to spread.
And for the last sign here, as you guys can see, it says to return laboratory appliances to their designated locations.
Why this sign, you might ask? So, this sign is important as it reminds students to return laboratory appliances to their place. As by returning laboratory appliances to their place, it helps reduces the risk of losing and damaging laboratory appliances. Laboratory appliances aren't cheap and requires a lot of money. So by returning them to their place, the school can also save a lot of money and also use the money for something more usable. Second of all, it helps to maintain an effective and organized space. An organized space is important, especially in the laboratory where many processes and many experiments are done every day by students and also by teachers. And for the third reason, it's to prevent laboratory appliances from contamination and damage. As you might know, contamination and damage can ruin laboratory appliances, requiring the school to buy more laboratory appliances, making the school spend more money for something that I believe is preventable.
To wrap up all these three signs, shouldn't be just viewed as a set of rules as they are the foundation of the safe and well-organized environment. By following these guidelines and signs, we are not only protect ourselves, but we also ensure the safety of others and contribute to space where everyone can work confidently and focus on engaging chemistry experiments. Therefore, let us always remember to stay aware, respect to the procedure, and make the lab be safety the top priority first. Thank you all.
Misalnya,